Hey guys, what's up? So today we're on 107. I want to say this is a 2019 CE. It was built in February of 18, so I would say that's a 19. It could still have been an 18, but anyways, this is 107. This was actually Mason's last IC purchase before they started buying C2s for the few years that they were doing that. And as you can see, no window tint. This does have a white roof. And this bus and 108 actually replaced two 2004 ICFE 300s they used to have. So that's some background information on this bus. 72 passenger, brown seats, pretty standard specs, I guess. Yellow door frames, you know how I feel about that. I think these were the first CEs with LED fender mounted turn signals. So, there you go. That's the front. There's 108. And then here's the side. So incandescent warning lights, but we've got LED lights on the stop sign. And then you can see white roof, no window tint. And then back here, we've got our LED brake, turn, and reverse. Incandescent warning lights. There's the new stop decal. ID number 107. And then there's the back. And those two don't have underbody storage, which I want to say the FEs did, but I could just be remembering it wrong. So, yeah, that's 107. Of course, DEF, your CE emblem. And here's the doorway again. So, yeah, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think, and yeah.